students of the infection risk management, and today we are going to discuss about the Ebola, that Ebola virus disease, also known as the Ebola hemorrhagic fever, or the simply Ebola is the viral hemorrhagic fever of the humans, other primitives caused by the Ebola virus. And sign and symptoms of Ebola includes that first symptoms stay long for 7 or 9 days, which includes the headache. Patient may feel fatigued and moreover high grade fever. And in the next stage, we face the symptoms stay long for 10 days. And first for the increase, that fever will get increased rapidly and vomiting will start, and there may be hemorrhage also. And for the 11th day, patient can feel for the bruising and the brain damage can occur because of the hemorrhage. And on 12th, there may be the loss of sensation, that is the we call it as a loss of consciousness, means patient will not be oriented about the surroundings. And seizures may come, and seizures due to the hemorrhage or the brain damage. And third is the massive internal bleeding, and all of these can cause the death of the patient here. And next will be continued by these guys. Thank you.
Now, key factors associated with the Ebola. One is from West Africa, um, in Guinea, where 2-year-old boy was infected on 2013, 6th of December. It was due to contaminated food indwelled by bat or bat meat. Uh, with the in ritual preparing of burial of a death body, it was transferred to other people. The transfer of Ebola virus through body fluids. Also in Liberia, the infected person migrate here and here during virus incubation. Also in Nigeria, infected Liberian man traveled to Nigeria, and it was the cause for Nigeria outbreak due to the poor prevention. And for the prevention, one Nigerian doctor stopped the man to leave from hospital to protect others from transmitting. But unfortunately, both doctors and patient died. So Nigerian government locked down the slum areas, uh, uh, which are near infected areas.
During the collection of Ebola sample, infected body health worker also get infected. In 1976, British scientist accidentally stabbed himself with Ebola infected syringe. He was transferred to the hospital in actual transport ambulance, and he was kept in the isolated room, so no one come to contact with him, and no one could get transmitted disease from him. He was cured, and he didn't infect others people also. It was concluded that Ebola was transmission through bats and body fluids, like it is called airborne. It is also airborne. Yeah, from one. It is also transmitted from one person to another person. Thank you.
Thank you.